What's up YouTube, it's Louis here, hope you're all well. Today we'll be looking at Bitcoin on the daily time frame. Again, this will probably be the only video today. Hopefully tomorrow the Wi-Fi people do come. We've had some emails already today saying they're coming, but we had the same last time and they didn't show up. And who got punished because they didn't show up? Me, for 2 weeks. So I've waited 2 weeks now. I still don't believe they're going to come tomorrow even though they're meant to. So let's see how it goes. Honestly, if they don't come tomorrow, I'm just going to cancel the contract. They've broken the contract. I don't care. I'm not paying absolute shit. Because basically you can't break the contract, but they've already broken it. So I'm not paying shit. If you want to cancel it, you have to pay them to cancel it. And it's a 2-year contract. So absolutely screw them if they're going to try and make me pay. It's all their fault. Look, you guys are getting annoyed. I'm more annoyed than you guys. Trust me, I want to get these videos out. I don't like just doing nothing all day, you know what I mean? All I'm doing here is just sitting doing nothing. I got no Wi-Fi. I'm bored out of my mind. I want to work. So it's just annoying. But anyway, let's get on with the video. We're still not so convincingly breaking this 55 daily EMA, right? We're above the 618. Beautiful. We're above that golden pocket. We created the reversal wave. What the fibs should have done is something like this with a push, exhaustion to the 618 before continuation down. This is how the fibs should work. You invalidate how the fibs should work once you get above the golden pocket, and that is right here. So we rejected it first. We come down, we were actually correcting up, and we were meant to, once we come down to here, have a small bounce and then continue. So push, exhaustion, continuation. But we found support right here. So that's why I believe that the 0382 at 36,900 is the true bottom, the true support. Yes, I know we have support here and a support right there, but the area with the most touches for me is always the most accurate, and I can see some resistance, some support, and all these locations here. So that's why I believe that this is the true bottom, 36.9k. If we're losing this, it's getting negative. Obviously come down to here and eventually down to there for obviously carry on going down to 31k. But at the moment, as long as you're above this, you've created that reversal wave, and we've had multiple attempts of going under, going over, over. So many fake outs, but for the moment we're above it again. So we need to say that it should act as support. This area of support, this golden pocket, is also important because it's that 39k wick right there back from September time. So, and this is the level that we've been struggling to either confirm as support or resistance. We had 2 amazing supports in September and January, but since then, not really any taps of support and resistance. You just keep breaking through them and breaking back through them. But you can see that there's a double bottom really taking shape over here, 2 bottoms, and this is your neckline. So what's very positive about this pump up here is that it's going against what it should have done. We told you that the fibs come down impulsively, correct up before continuation back down. So we had the same thing here, a push, an exhaustion phase up before continuation back down, and you can see you failed to lose that wick. So this would have been your target to the downside if when we came down here we lost the 1. So basically we wanted the 618 to hold, and we were holding it with a daily candle close right there, that big red candle. However, you eventually lost it here and you went all the way down to this 786 and you lost that, but almost to the 1 before breaking back in, meaning that this move to the downside, almost hitting the 1, was actually a fake out. And we come back in, and this was what we were explaining in yesterday's video as well. If you haven't watched, I posted 2 videos yesterday, one on the Bitcoin update and one on a trade review, a trade that we did in the chat, which lasted under 20 minutes, where we came out with 10% profit. So go ahead and watch that update from yesterday. And yeah, so with this fake out, you were losing the ascending triangle support, but you broke back in with a bullish engulfing, and then you got a spinning top or a bull hammer here, something that looks like Thor's hammer. And that's a bullish candlestick because you were below the green box and you were below the ascending support. But then you closed back above, meaning that the bull stepped in and believed this price, Bitcoin shouldn't be at this price, it should be higher. So the bulls are stepping in. You got another bullish engulfing candlestick pattern. And I told you guys many times, even before this pump here, I told you guys that if we break above this yellow line, we go to 41.5k. And then it went there. But then we came back down And I also told you guys that once we break above 41.5k, we go to 44.4. Now, a lot of you, if you're smart enough, or if you just recognize it enough, that you can see we broke back under, right? So there are going to be some people that notice things more than others, of course. And if some people realize that once you do break back above this yellow box, you can do the exact same trade again. So you could have done the trade here from here to here. You broke back under, wow, negative. As long as you're holding this low, we should actually go higher. Break above the yellow box again, you go back to 41.5k. So that could have been another trade. And this is the trade that we did yesterday, basically. Now, you can see you're still holding resistance. You still got a lower high, lower high, lower high. Technically, you should get lower lows. However, we haven't. With the bodies, you can say so. With the wicks, you can't. Let's check for some divergences. I would have liked this low to be lower than this on the RSI, but it's not. So nothing there really. No divergences. So yeah, the only thing that I would say is that you've gone ahead and you've broken the 55 daily EMA again on the first attempt, and we never like to see this. Every time we've done that, look, this wick didn't touch it and then come down, go up. It just touched it for the first time, broke it. Touched it for the first time and broke it. First time, there you had a touch and then broke it, but here, first time and then first time. And every single time that you've broken the 55 without touching it, broken above it without touching it prior, and then you've closed above, it's eventually became a fake out. Once, twice, 3 times, 4 times. Is this going to be the 5th? All we need price to do, even if it is a fake out, is to hold the 20 EMA. Because the 55 is our double brick wall. If this is holding like it is on these previous 4 occasions, then it's resistance, and if it is resistance, it should bring you back to the 20, and you should actually lose the 20. And if you are losing the 20, you're hitting it as resistance, and that means we should continue our downtrend. So how do we invalidate this? Go ahead and find support on this yellow box, or on the yellow line, sorry, the 0618 39.6k, or just the 20 EMA on the daily time frame. Get a daily close above these, and then we should eventually go up and break it. Find support here before the next trade. So you can take a trade. Once we get a daily candle close above this green box, then we can take a trade to here. But the biggest trade yet that we're going to take, maybe fall back for support before breaking it. Once we do break above 44.4k / 45k, then we will long until obviously this resistance 52, 53, but also to the support down here, so about the 56k area. So that's pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, please subscribe, click the cat in the bottom right corner. Go ahead and watch yesterday's trade review on Bitcoin. Yeah, I was basically giving out so much free valuable info that you can take into your personal trading. And if you're interested in taking that next step to becoming a self-sufficient trader, then message me on my Twitter. The link is in the description for my Twitter, Louis_crypto. Go over to the pinned post and message over there if you're ready to either join the chat, the course, or the mentorship. There's more details on these things at the end of this video. Thank you guys for watching. Again, please like, subscribe, and comment, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace. So guys, these are my crypto packages. Let's bring you over to the one-on-one mentorship, where it's £650 one-off payment. You will get video call lessons with me over a 1-month period. We will do 1 or 2 hour lessons every single day, and you don't need any prior knowledge whatsoever. You can have 0, you can already be an advanced or intermediate trader. My job here is to 10x your learning curve. Everything that I'm teaching you has taken me over 3 years to gather and cost me over £10,000, whether that was good courses, bad courses, mistakes, scams, or whatever it was. It cost me over £10,000 to get all this information that I'm personally teaching you. I also had to pay for my mentor over $2,000 for a 2-hour lesson. So what you're getting for this price is absolutely phenomenal. Now, you also get the 6-hour crypto course included in this price, as well as the signals chat until the top of the bull market. Now let's move over to the signals chat. I wouldn't call it signals. This is just basically a group where I post what I'm personally doing, my thoughts on the market, if I think it's going up or down. So there's daily chart updates, but also, yeah, throughout the day, what I'm thinking, or where I'm buying, where I'm selling, where I'm looking to accumulate, or obviously get out the market. This is what's in the crypto chat, and that's £25 for your first month and £40 onwards. Then we can move over to the 6-hour crypto course. There are over 35 plus videos in this. You don't need any prior knowledge to start. You can be beginner, intermediate or advanced level trader. My job here is to 10x your learning curve, to make you into that self-sufficient trader, to make you into a trader that doesn't need outsiders' help. Not my help, not any YouTubers' help or any crappy group chat. So if you're interested in this, you also do get a one-on-one mentorship lesson with me at the end of the course, so you can get any questions answered, so you're clear and you know exactly what to do going forward. If you're interested in any of these packages, then please go to my Twitter at Louis_crypto and literally comment down below and just say, Louis, I'm interested, and I'll personally private message you to see if you qualify for any of these packages. Thank you guys for listening, watching the video. Please like, subscribe, comment, and I'll catch you in the next one.